Happy New Year to you and yours. Isn't it nice to revel in that feeling of starting over? The optimism and opportunity that awaits in a new year. A reset on your life. Well, it might be a fitness reset. Dropping the fat and adding 10 pounds of muscle so you too can look like Reacher. Maybe it's a career reset. This is the year you get that new position you deserve. Or you start that side gig you've been toying with. Or you quit your dead ender to pursue what really moves you. Most of us throw in a financial resolution or two in there, like eliminating debt or saving more and investing more. The investing part, that's where I can help. Let's take a quick look back in time to see where we might be going this year and if any changes are warranted. About this time last year, everyone was calling for the R word. Not another season of Reacher, but yeah, they were calling for that too. But recession. And why not? 2022 didn't exactly set the investing world on fire. 2023 saw interest rates rising faster than in the 80s, troubled banks in Silicon Valley, fighting in Ukraine, and more fighting in the Middle East. Things didn't seem too good for the economy or for stocks. But nobody counted on the Magnificent Seven to step up and save the year. Yeah, you know those guys. Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Tesla, Meta, and Nvidia. They don't pay attention to the doomers calling for recession. They do what they do best, innovate and work around whatever economic and regulatory obstacles appear in the windshield. And they got some help from all that fuss over AI, artificial intelligence. So much so that the Mag 7 rose about 75% or so together last year. The other 493 companies in the Standard & Poor's 500 rose 12%. Pretty good, but not Mag 7 good. All that left the S&P 500 up 24% for the full year. The Dow hitting several record closes at year's end, finishing 2023 up 14%. And the Nasdaq, where all the technology companies hang out, climbing 43% for the year. Some may ask, why didn't my investment or portfolio perform as well as those indexes? Well, because you probably didn't own that much or maybe none of the Magnificent Seven. And why would you have? Those same Mag 7 were a drag 7 just the prior year. In 2022, they were down a collective 40%. Despite Grandpa's mantra, to buy low, sell high, sonny boy, most folks don't have the saddle to ride a horse running in the wrong direction. So, I rest my case. Exhibit A, the year 2023. And that, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, is why we don't do market timing or economic forecasting around here. As Forrest tried to remind us, you never know what you're going to get. So why shake up the box of stocks? We're not traders or speculators. While the pundits and prognosticators are peddling the crisis du jour and short-term advice, we're living our best lives. We're long-term investors and don't succumb to short-term advice. We're filled with hope and optimism in the new year. We believe in capitalism. We believe in the most innovative, well-run, best managed, and most profitable companies in the United States and the world. And may God continue to bless you and your family in the new year.